Hello, ThinkReady here. I'm going to show you how to use the Halo editing kit to get AI into a multiplayer map. Alright? Alright. So the first thing we need to do is get tags of the map we want to edit. So for us, we'll do Blood Gulch. Open the HEK+. Now first we have to check our options. Gonna make sure it's set to the Halo CE tags directory. If you're unsure where your Halo CE tags directory is, it's usually right here. And just click use registry and that'll be good. Alright, so first thing we need to do is open a multiplayer map that we want to put AI in. So let's do Blood Gulch. Let's go to Levels, Test, Blood Gulch, hit Blood Gulch scenario. Hit Add to Extraction Queue. Just check mark next to this. You don't need this. Hit Start. When it says tags extracted, you know it's good. I already have all the tags, so I'm just doing this for your guys' sake. Okay. And we can open another map to get the AI tags from. Let's do B40. Alright, go to Characters, Elite Commander. Let's do Elite Commander Plasma Rifle. And then Characters, Marine Armored Assault Rifle. Actor variant. Add to Extraction Queue. Alright. So put a check mark next to both of these. Hit Start. It says tags extracted. You know it's good. Okay, we can close that now. Now I want to open up Sapien. Open the Blood Gulch.scenario. Actually, never mind. Don't open it. Make a backup copy of it. Name it Blood Gulch _ AI.scenario. Alright. Open that one. So yeah, Sapien takes a little while to load. Unless you're me. So you can close the output and tool window. Alright. First thing you need to do is hit Edit Types. Scroll down to Actor _ variant. Click Add. Add that Elite Commander Plasma Rifle. Go down to Characters, Marine Armored Assault Rifle. And it's loading that tag. Because Sapien is so slow. Oh, why is it so slow? What's it doing? Okay, cool. Close that. Alright. Now go to Mission, AI, Encounters, hit New Instance. You can name it whatever you want. Let's just call it Elites. Alright, these flags are self-explanatory. 3D firing positions is for flying AI. We don't want that. Alright, so let's make them respawn enabled. Team index. This will set their team. So 0/default by unit is red team in team games and player 1 in free-for-all games. 1/player is blue team in team games and player 2 in free-for-all. Player 3 is player 4, player 5, blah blah blah. Okay, so for the elites we want them to be 1/player, player 2. Alright, this is all self-explanatory. Respawn delay. Let's do 2 to 4 seconds. Alright. Firing positions. This is where they'll go to shoot at you. Just stand at these spots and shoot at you. If you make a lot of them, then they'll move around a lot more. If you only have one of them, they'll just stand in one spot. If you don't have any, then they're dumbasses, and you're not a very good modder. Anyway, so just make a bunch of these. wherever you want them. That's good. Okay. Fake start positions. That is self-explanatory. We don't need any of those. Squads. Click New Instance. This is where all the spawn data and actor type and everything is. So here we want to set the actor type to Elite Commander Plasma Rifle. Initial and return state. That's what they're doing when they spawn and after they finish killing someone. So for initial state, moving randomly. Return state, moving randomly. Alright. Flags. These are self-explanatory, except unused. I have no idea why they have that crap. Yeah, just do automatic migration. Magic sight right after timer is they can magically see you. That's cool. Let's do that. Timer, squad delay time, 1 second. That's the timer. Start timer immediately. Alright. Now it'll be ponage. Normal diff count. This is how many AI will initially be alive when the game starts. So you can set this to whatever you want. I'll make it 6. Insane diff count. Gotta make that the same as normal diff count or it won't work in multiplayer. Let's make it 6. Spawn min actors. Minimum number of AI alive at once. Let's make it 3. Maximum AI alive at once can be 9. Spawn total. If you leave it at 0, then they'll just keep spawning forever. If you set this, then that number of AI will spawn, and they'll stop spawning after that. I'll just leave it at 0. Respawn delay, 2 to 4 seconds. Has to be the same as it is up here, or else it won't work. Alright, that looks really good. Okay, move positions. If you have it set to moving randomly, this is what they'll move around to. These can be used for other stuff that I don't know about, but yeah. So just make move positions. Oh, and for the boneheads who don't know how to use Sapien, you right-click to make stuff. Like move positions or firing positions or whatever. So make a bunch of these. Alright, that's cool. Starting locations. This is very self-explanatory. If you have no idea what this is, then you're definitely a complete bonehead. Alright? Okay. So let's make some respawns. Yeah, I'll make the covenant spawn at the blue base. That's good. Oh, and for all this stuff down here, you don't have to set this if you set it in the squad block. Alright? Okay, cool. Now, let's see if it worked. You can do this by making a new encounter and then deleting it. Here we go. Respawning. Okay. Now let's make the Marines. New instance. Let's name it Marines. Set the team index to 0, default by unit, so they're on your team. Everything else is good. Alright, I hope you know how to do all this now. If not, then we'll rewind and listen to me. So let's set some firing positions for the Marines. Okay, that's good. Squads, new instance, 2 actor type, Marine, initial state.